Hey, do you want to learn and improve your English? In today's lesson, we are going to learn two important words, fear and hold. For I am the Lord your God, who takes hold of your right hand and say to you, do not fear, I will help you. Isaiah 41:13. The word fear, an unpleasant emotion caused by the threat of danger, pain or harm. I have a fear of heights. I finally mastered my fear of flying. The doctor's diagnosis confirmed our worst fear. In fact, the translation of this word we can say in Spanish is miedo and in French is peur. Finally, we have the word hold, to take and keep something in your arm or hand. Look these examples. Can you hold the bag while I open the door? He held her in his arm. Those who agree, please hold up your hand, raise your arm. In the spirit of this, the translation of this word in Spanish is sostener and in French is tenir. For I am the Lord your God, who takes hold of your right hand and say to you, do not fear, I will help you. Isaiah 41:13. Thank you for watching my video. That's all for today's lesson. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to learn English.